Hi, I'm Allie Mancini, Director of Recreation, Parks, and Library for the City of El Segundo. Welcome to The Plunge. The Plunge is the city's iconic and historic indoor swim stadium. For more than a half a century, The Plunge has been a cornerstone of this community, where memories are made, healthy lifestyles are embraced, and athletes train for greatness. The Eurosari Swim Stadium, affectionately called The Plunge, officially opened its doors in November 1941 as part of the WPA, or Works Project Administration. The facility was designed by master architect John C. Austin, who also designed the world-renowned Griffith Observatory and LA City Hall. When The Plunge opened, it was considered a state-of-the-art swim facility that boasted a large pool with 8 lanes and 2 diving boards. The stadium also housed a pool for children, which was unique for swim facilities at that time. The director of the facility, Eurosari, went on to become one of the most accomplished swimming and water polo coaches in California. Mr. Sari trained at least 33 Olympians and led 12 high school teams to CIF championships during his time in El Segundo. Mr. Sari also served on the Olympic Water Polo Committee multiple times and was named National Water Polo Coach of the Year in 1964. The Plunge flourished as a beloved part of the El Segundo community, drawing thousands of visitors annually, and was designated a local cultural resource by the city in 1994. From providing a place for the youth of each generation to learn to swim, to training Olympic athletes, it faithfully provided a service to the residents of El Segundo and the greater Los Angeles area until its doors closed in 2019 due to ongoing maintenance issues. In 2023, El Segundo City Council approved a new design and renovation that artfully maintains the Plunge's historic character, particularly the iconic Art Deco facade, while bringing the interior to code to meet current building and accessibility standards. The Plunge serves residents of all ages, but takes particular pride in being one of the best swim programs for youth in the South Bay. Many longtime residents who themselves grew up at the Plunge look forward to creating many more memories at the new swim stadium. The Eurosari Swim Stadium will bring back a beloved community tradition for so many residents whose children spent their youth swimming, playing, and diving at the Plunge.
For so many of us, it's the story of the community. This is where a lot of our kids learned how to swim. This is the summer times. This is where we do senior and master swim and the full progression of it. It is in a lot of ways the nexus of where the community comes together. It's right by the high school, it's right by the library, it's where El Segundo really starts.
The construction of the Plunge is progressing towards substantial completion with many major milestones completed at this point. Roofing, fire alarms, fire suppression system, and plumbing work is complete. The locker rooms are approximately 80% complete, with final touches underway on windows, lavatories, lockers, and shower partitions. The pool mechanical room is about 90% complete, and work continues on the pool shells, including waterproofing and tile installation. Current efforts are focused on the installation of HVAC systems, interior lighting, bleachers, and improvements to the lobby and front entrance. We are working diligently to complete the remaining tasks, and the team is committed to making the facility available to the community as soon as possible.
Thank you to our generous sponsors who have already contributed over $2 million towards this critical project. With the anticipated opening of the Plunge in 2026, it's not too late for residents and local businesses to get involved. There are sponsorship opportunities as low as $1,500. Be a part of history in the making. Learn more at www.sbshr.org. That's www.sbshr.org. Make a splash today!